Welcome to Heart Fun. Today we're going to pick up the garbage at the waterfall. See? The plastic and all the garbage isn't good for the little animals because the little animals think it's food and then they'll eat it and die. If the plastic comes and kills the earth, then there won't be any trees and then we wouldn't be able to breathe and then no one would be in the world. That's why we want to pick up garbage and take care of our sweet earth. Because Mother Earth is not safe with garbage on it.
Simple things are simple things. A waterfall, a crystal ball, a golden ring. Love was just a word until it hit my blood and my heart it hurt. We're not feeling high.
I'm selecting walk. These rocks are a lot of ones. But they're good. It's a heart.
I just wanna walk on the water with you. I just wanna walk on the water with you. I just wanna.
We hope our waterfalls are clean, our beaches, and our world. That's why people like us pick up the garbage. And you guys can find your own waterfall to pick up the garbage too.
I just wanna walk on the water with you. I just wanna walk on the water